Pupay Vlog. Isang maulan na gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. Na-late ako sa kaganapan sa mundo ng beauty pageant, mga karagarag, sa mga latest na mga pasabog, na mga pa-eksena na pinagchichismisan ng mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media, kasi kadarating ko lang talaga, galing akong Pagadian City. So pag charge na ako sa kong cellphone ba, pag open ako, ay, naku, wala na. Grabe na yung pabunggahan na kaganapan ngayon sa Thailand, na kung saan finally may crowning moment si CJ, mga karag-karag. At katatapos ko lang rin siyang panoorin na kung saan, grabe, naging emotional din ako kanina nung nanood ako sa kanyang pa-speech bitaw sa kanyang crowning moment sa Miss Grand International 2024. Ramdam mo talaga yung emosyon. Ramdam mo talaga yung pagkasinsiro ng pa-speech ni CJ bitaw na nabusbam ako, mga karag-karag. Nanimbaw tang akong balahibo. Kinoy ang cellphone, ikuan kining ana. Grabe na akong kameraman. So, nung mapanood ko siya, mga karag-karag, at napakinggan ko si CJ, yung emosyon niya, yung iyak niya, nakakahawa, in fairness galore. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, at alam ko naman napanood nyo na una kayo sa pagkachismosa ni Kuragan, dahil may nasikaso nga ako ngayong araw sa Pagadian City. So, balik ka na, panoorin natin to, mga karag-karag. Watch this thing. Takilig naman ang cellphone, noy! Ano ba?
Very moment, Fearless. So surreal right now. I love you. I was in the same place like months ago, competing for my country, the Philippines, and hoping to make you guys proud. I am just one of those hopeful candidates to bring pride to my country, and I was able to take home the first runner-up crown. And I'm really, really grateful to have been part of the roster of such amazing women from all around the globe, to be representing their countries. And of course, to be an international ambassador of the Miss Grand International organization. But there's one thing I want to share with you guys. I just want to make the whole room a little bit lighter. There was one specific event before, when I was still a candidate. It was during the dinner. There was a question Papa asked me. He said, "Philippines, why so late?" I'm asking the same question back. "Papa, why so late?" But kidding aside, I know best things happen for a reason. You just have to wait for that very specific moment. But you have to hold on and do whatever it takes. Before I signed up for this job, I know I was born ready. I am always ready. And now I've been given the challenge. And I am taking that challenge and taking the responsibility to fill that shoes as your first runner-up. And now, as your Miss Grand International 2024. Truly, it is an honor, but I know there will be challenges along the way. But I know I have my family with me, the Miss Grand International organization, to be able to surpass all this. And of course, all the Filipinos, all the Thai fans, my fans all around the world, my organization from the Philippines, my family, of course, my team is here. Thank you so much. My designer is also here. Thank you for making time. I know this moment is so sudden. There's a moment of transition and change, but that's how we grow as individuals. And that's how we win in life. There are different versions and meanings of winning in life, but this is my golden moment. And this is a historic win for the Philippines. Mabuhay sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Ganon din yung suporta na ibinigay niyo sa akin simula noon hanggang ngayon. Kahit nasan akong entablado, naririnig ko yung mga sigawan niyo. Ganon din kagalak yung puso ko na makita kayong lahat na sineselebrate itong pagkapanalo nating lahat. Para lalaban lang tayo. Lagi. Para to sa bansang Pilipinas. Para to sa Miss Grand International Organization. And we will continue the legacy that Miss Grand International cemented over the years. The one and only. I am Christine Julian Hinkle Opiaza from the Philippines, your Miss Grand International 2024!
Yan ang mga kanakarag na panood na ninyo ang pa-speech galore sa crowning moment ni CJ na kung saan ano yung naging reaction yung mga kanakarag. Magkapareho ba tayo ng bitaw na nahawa rin ba kayo sa pagiging emotional ni CJ sa kanyang pa-crowning moment? Grabe, ramdam ko talaga, lalo na yung last line niya na CJ, yung apelido, ang haba kasi na pangalan ni CJ Opiaza, yung Miss Grand First Runner-Up, tapos Miss Grand International 2024, grabe, yung balahibo ko, nanindig talaga ko. Hala, oy, grabe. Thank you pa rin sa Miss Grand International Organization dahil binigyan nila ng crowning moment si CJ. Alam naman natin na hindi ganito sanang first golden crown natin, 'di ba? Iba talaga yung iba talaga yung saya, iba talaga yung emosyon, yung sigaw natin kung si CJ talaga yung unang nakoronahan bilang Miss Grand International 2024. Kaya yung mga hanas na mga kapitbahay natin na panakit butas lang si CJ dahil hindi naman siya yung talagang unang kinoronahan ni Uncle, pero inggit lang sila. Yun yung magiging reaction ko, mga karag-karag. Yan ang mga karag-karag, ano yung magiging reaction ninyo? Comment down below. At hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe. Karag-karag, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para update kayo sa mga latest kaganapan sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And thank you for watching.